Hi, this is Toby Thomas from wpcourses.co.uk, and here is a little introduction to the WordPress dashboard. So in my last video I showed you how to set up WordPress the easy way, and here is the WordPress dashboard, brand new. So first thing you might want to do is just update WordPress to the latest version. So you'll see it up here. I'm going to update now. And can update to the latest British version, which is the GBP version. So I click update now here. Takes a few seconds and it's just reinstalling the entire WordPress system to the latest version. As long as you're following all the best practices, this is normally a very smooth, simple process. As soon as you start installing random themes and plugins, suddenly WordPress updates and plugin updates and so on can become problematic. So best to just install and update WordPress when you first start. Okay, that's now done. So welcome to WordPress 4.5.3. First thing to know is navigating around. So to flick between the backend and the front end, you simply click on your site title or on visit site. Always click on the bigger, easier option. So simply clicking on site title here, whatever your site title might be, is fine. And that loads up the front end. And this is the front end of WordPress, or the actual website itself that the public can see. Because I'm logged in, you'll see a bar at the top and edit buttons. Don't worry, it's not Wikipedia, it's not publicly editable. You're only seeing these because we're logged into the front end as well as the back end. Now to flick back to the back end, we would click again on either site title here or on dashboard. Either way, it goes back to the back end. And you'll notice the first item in each submenu is the same as the parent item. So site title here and visit site are the same, dashboard and home, posts and all posts, appearance and themes, settings in general, all the way down. You get the idea. So the best thing to do if you're going to the first item in a submenu is don't go to the first item in a submenu, just go to the parent item. So if I'm going to posts, all posts, I would simply click on posts and that takes me there. If I'm going to appearance themes, I would simply click on appearance, not themes, and that takes me there, and so on all the way down. Just click on the parent item. If you're going to a submenu item, don't click on the parent, just click directly on the submenu item. So if I'm going to settings, reading, I would not click on settings, I would just hover over or roll over my mouse on settings and then click directly on this reading section. That takes me straight to settings reading. If I'm going to appearance widgets, I would hover over appearance but not click on, and instead I'd click directly on widgets and that takes me to appearance widgets, like so, and so on. So that's navigating WordPress's dashboard and the left menu here. Now I'm a big advocate for tabbed browsing, and that's just a way of using WordPress more efficiently. Rather than always staying in one tab, I would tend to open items in new tabs. So if I right click on an item and open link in new tab, if you're on a Mac that's command click, on a PC control click, or right click either way and open link in new tab. So I've got the dashboard open here. I could open up the website in a new tab as well, and you can instantly flick between the two that way. And if you're editing a page, you can be editing the page in one tab here, editing a page, and actually viewing the page in a new tab. So if I open this in a new tab, I can now see the page on the website here. And it just saves time waiting for pages to load, waiting for your internet to load up the different pages. Just more efficient way to manage your WordPress site is using tabbed browsing. So that's it for my introduction to the WordPress dashboard. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to configure WordPress to be a proper website.